So here, let's proceed. So what are the typical reason of rejection? Bakit ka na auto-denied, auto-rejection, auto-denial? You know why? If you have, yung pinaka-main reason is if you have medical issues. So here, I am telling you guys, once you have a blood disorder, cancer, heart disease, hepatitis B, C, or liver disease, HIV infection, including AIDS, kidney disease, including dialysis, mental illness, pregnancy, respiratory disease that has required hospital admission or oxygen therapy. Guys, I'll tell you honestly or frankly, once you have this kind of health issues, yes, may auto-denial or pwede, ang laking tsansa na mare-reject po tayo. So, para hindi po masayang ang ating application or processing or yung pera, once you have this, kailangan po munang naging clear all ang lahat ng sakit. Kasi pag meron po tayo yan, hindi po nila tinatanggap sa Australia as a student visa holder. So here, let's proceed for actual courses. So we have early childhood education and care courses and community service courses. So ayan, nasa screen po ninyong lahat sa mga nanonood or sa viewers kung magkano ang inyong enrollment, tuition, and material fees. At least you are aware, guys, kung magkano ang inyong mababayaran kung may napili na kayo or you have a chosen courses na related sa courses na tinapos nyo dito sa Pilipinas. So, for early childhood education and care courses and community service courses, we have this kind of courses. We have this actual courses. So, ayan yung enrollment, tuition, and material fees ng mga na-mention na courses na nasa screen niyo po. So, at least if you have an idea or you are aware. So, for example, for Certificate 3 in Early Childhood Education and Care courses, ayan po ang kanilang enrollment, tuition, and material fees. For management courses, ayan din po ang kanilang onshore and offshore na enrollment, tuition, and material fees. For information technology courses or IT, ayan din po ang kanilang enrollment, tuition, and material fees. For automotive courses, nasa screen din po enrollment, tuition, and material fees ng kanya-kanyang mga actual courses. So you have an idea or aware of how much you're gonna spend for that kind of courses. For trade courses, engineering course, and hospitality courses, they have. So, ayan, yung enrollment, tuition, and material fees. So, tingnan nyo na po ng maigi kung may mga chosen courses na po kayo na related sa courses nyo dito sa Pilipinas. And if you already see or nakita nyo na kung ano yung mga chosen courses nyo, then you figure out kung magkano yung mga tuition and material fees. Just calculate it and change it to Philippine money. At least aware na kayo kung magkano yung mga mababayaran nyo for that kind of courses. For course start date, we have 3 upcoming intakes because January is already starting. So we have 3 upcoming intakes. We have for April 2022 for 2024, July 15, 2024, October 8 for 2024. At least we have 3 upcoming intakes for April, July, and October. So but I guarantee you guys or everyone, I guarantee you for April because hindi siya nagre-require niya ng show money and IELTS. Yung school na yan for April intake, hindi siya wala siyang IELTS and show money. Sobrang dali na pag-granted mo because hindi na mahihirapan for IELTS and show money. So, I advise all of you for April intake sa mga nagbabalak makaalis ngayon as a student visa holder for Australia this 2024. I suggest for April intake. So, summary of fees. So, we have intakes, we have summary of fees. So, how much or magkano ang estimated fees? So, estimated lang po ito. So, just add 10% buffer para hindi po tayo kulangin or ma-short. So, for yung i-mention ko po is including na po siya lahat-lahat. For school tuition fee, for school enrollment fee, school material fee, visa application fee, medical fee, OSHC or 1-year single applicant, biometrics. So sa mga na-mention na po, magkakasama po lahat yan. So yung mga summary or estimated na magagastos nyo po is 253,550 pesos. So add 10% buffer para hindi po tayo kulangin ma-short sa allowance or sa budget na gagamitin along the processing period. So, ayan, we always suggest and advise sa aming mga clients, it's just as estimated. So, hindi yan the actual fees or summary. It's just estimated. So, add 10% buffer for every babayarin. That's why para hindi po tayo kulangan. Much better kung mas susobra yung pera nyo, hindi lang po tayo kukulangan. So here, it's just estimated. So just add 10% buffer. Then as I mentioned, those fees is kasama na po siya sa 253,550 pesos. So how to earn almost 1 million in just 5 months? So how? So if you're earning $35 per hours and work 40 hours a week, you get 1,400 a week salary. So, as a student visa, biruin nyo in just 5 months, you earn almost 1 million. So, how amazing is that, right? Here in the Philippines, as a government employee or something, as an office employee or yung mga minimum rate dito or above minimum, I doubt it if makakaipon tayo or makaka-earn tayo ng almost 1 million in just 5 months. But in Australia, they have 99.9% of chances na makakaipon ka ng almost 1 million in just 5 months because ang taas na kanilang minimum wage ngayon sa Australia. That's why. So, ayan, base lang yan sa $35 as a single applicant. So, paano pa pag dalawa kayo, a couple, mag-asawa, or your boyfriend, or live-in partner, or fiancé? So, if you are earning as a couple, in just 5 months, you earn almost 2 million. So, ito, dinoble lang yung, yung inyong sasahurin, dinoble lang po as a couple. So, base pa din po ito sa $35 per hours and work 40 hours a week. So, as a couple, almost 2 million in just 5 months ang inyong maiipon. So, it's so amazing, just wow, just goes bomb because as a couple makaka-earn kayo or just a stepping stone for both of you na makakaipon kayo for the future. So here, the 8-step application process. So paano nga ba makakuha ng student visa? So here, step 1, sign the agreement. Step 2, submit all the requirements. Step 3, assessment of your qualification. Step 4, you will receive an advice. Step 5, submit application to school. Step 6, convince the immigration that you are a genuine student. Dito na papasok ang GTE, SOP, or Statement of Purpose sa immigration account. Step 7, submit visa application. And the fun part is Step 8, arrange accommodation and travel to Australia. Because that Step 8 is you are already a visa granted. So that's the fun part of the application. Once you are in Step 8, nakaka-relief na or nakakahinga ka na na maluwag because you are a visa granted or you are a certified student visa holder. So, forms, fill up the PDF form agreement or school enrollment form or etc. Submit all the required document. Pay the enrollment fee directly to school. Wala pong dadaan sa company. Directly po agad lahat-lahat sa school, lalo na po yung tuition fee. And for a visa, apply for a visa, direct din po sa immigration ang pagbayad. Ang dadaan lang po sa company is yung professional fee. That's all. Yung tuition, immigration fee, biometrics is direct po lahat-lahat yun sa kanila. So, ayan yung ating short seminar for Australia. So, bakit short? Kasi sobrang dali ng pag-apply. hindi na kayo papahirapan ng hindi na kayo papahirapan kumuha ng isang student visa dahil sobrang dali po ngayon ng pag-apply as a student visa holder. Because, you know why? No show money, no IELTS po ngayon. That's why sobrang dali ng pag-apply ng inyong visa. So, if you have any question, just comment down your question, then I'll give you a minute, then I'll answer it right away after this. Or if you are interested, or if you have an inquiry, then you have a lot of question, you can drop your full name and number, then after the seminar you're gonna receive a call from our team. So I'll give you a minute, guys, then if you have any question, just drop down, then I'll answer it right away. Ayan, babalik po tayo. So, once you are interested or gusto mo mag-start ng your processing or gusto mo mag-set up ng appointment for face-to-face consultation, you can visit in our office at AIC Burgundy Empire Tower at the back of Robinson's Galleria, Ortigas. Or you can call to 0945 4352 Same with the Viber, 0945-4352-606. Again, it's 0945-4352-606. Just comment down your full name and number for those who are interested, or after this live or seminar, you're gonna receive a call from our team. So everyone, thank you for watching or joining our Facebook Live seminar this afternoon. See you tomorrow again, same time. So, thank you everyone once again. My name is Pauline from Accentrics.